Well, let's talk about what you need to install on your computer to be able to get started. So the first thing, you need to open up terminal or command prompt on your laptop, and then inside the command prompt you can just, maybe let's clear this, and then we can just type node dash version. So this will help us check whether Node is already installed on the current computer we are using. So you should also do that to check if Node is installed currently on the computer you are using or not. So after checking if the Node version is displayed, that means Node is installed. Else you can just install the Node.js if you see something red, and that means an error. So you can just go to Node install and then click on the first thing that they are going to show you on the Google. You can just click on the first link, and then after it load you can just go to the pre-build installer, because you are not going to install it using package manager. So just possibly go to, this is the latest version of Node, version 20. So go to pre-build installer tab, and then you can hit on download Node. So by hitting on download Node, Node will start downloading on your computer, and then you can actually wait for it to finish downloading, because after downloading we are going to follow step by step to install it on our own computer. So let's wait for it. It's already going fast as we want. All right, great. Node has already been installed on the I've been downloaded successfully, sorry. So it's asking me whether I should permit it to install. So you can just click on OK, because definitely you want to install this on your computer. So give it some minute to finish booting, and then you can see there's no option for us to click on next. So let's wait for it to, and then you can just hit on the next button, then accept, because we definitely want to accept the conditions. We can just hit on next again, next, and then we can just make sure we select it to automatically install everything we need, next, and we can hit on the install button here to make sure everything is installed successfully. I'm not going to install it because I already have it on my laptop and I don't want to install another one. So after successful installation, you can also check again whether it is installed successfully with Node dash version on your terminal. So if you see the version displayed, version 20 point, this one is 18, that means it is installed successfully. If else it is not showing any version, maybe showing you error, that means you have yet to install it. The next thing to install here is VS Code, because that's the code editor I'm going to be using throughout this tutorial. So I am not saying if you are using another code editor you cannot use it, but me personally, I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code. So if you want to follow along and you want to be seeing exactly the same thing I'm seeing, so it's better you should also install Visual Studio Code. So let's install it. You can go, if you are using Windows, install Windows on. If you are using MacBook, you can go ahead and install MacBook Visual Studio Code. And then me, I already have Visual Studio Code installed on my computer. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.